Hey guys, my name is Peter Tam and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'll be making one of my favorite meals, ramen noodles. This bag of noodles, if you add a little bit of tenderness, love and care, you can turn it into a hearty meal. And today I'm going to show you how. We have a short list of ingredients today. We're substituting water with beef broth. We're using diced chicken, shrimp, cilantro. This aromatic herb adds new life to the noodles. Who's ready? Beef broth is already full of flavor. So I don't use a full bag of seasoning. I find it too overpowering. We're using frozen shrimp. When I was washing it, I cut it with a little bit of salt and pepper to take away some of that frozen taste to it. I find that brings out the flavor better. I don't like to overcook my noodles. I like it to be soft enough to eat, but it's still to have a bite in them. When the noodles are done, I transfer it into another bowl. Alright, here we go, the finished product. And also you can add different types of food, try different types of noodles. Be creative, this bowl is your canvas. And if you're planning on trying this recipe, let me know how it came out. Let me know if you substituted something for something else. I hope you enjoy my recipe today. If you have a recipe that you like, drop me a note, add a comment, and let me know your thoughts.